How to fix the virus and threat protection start actions issue on your Windows PC. Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be showing you some quick steps via which you can solve this issue. This issue might have occurred because of multiple reasons such as the corrupted temporary files with the Windows Defender history or just minor glitches in the threat protection mechanism. So first of all, what you need to do to solve this issue is go to your File Explorer. After that, you need to go to your local disk C. After that, you need to go to the hidden file and then open the program data. In order to open the hidden file, you need to check the box called Hidden Items that is available in the View tab. After that, you need to go to the program data, then go to the Microsoft option. After you scroll down, you can find the Windows Defender option. Then after that, you can find the Scans option. After that, you can find the History option available, and after pressing that, you can see the history. And there you have to delete all the folders except the one called Cache Manager. Delete all the one except the one called Cache Manager. After you're done with this process, simply restart your PC so the changes can take effect and the Windows Defender will reset its internal history tracking. And there you go. That is how you fix the virus and threat protection start actions issue on your Windows PC. If you'd like to see more content like this, please consider subscribing to the channel.